Hello, so today we're going to be doing a fraction division word problem. Our word problem says it takes an assembly line half an hour to produce enough Valentine edible arrangements to fill a truck 2/3 full. At this rate, how long does it take the assembly line to produce enough arrangements to fill the truck up completely? To figure out our division fraction problem, we're going to use the double number line technique. So I'm going to draw my two lines. In my top line, I'm going to label hours. In my bottom line, I'm going to label truck filled. So my word problem tells me that half an hour produces 2/3 full of a truck of edible arrangements. So I can put 1/2 of an hour at the top and 2/3 right below that on the truck fill line, since my problem tells me a half an hour produces enough arrangements to fill 2/3 of the truck. So half an hour, 2/3 of a truck. So I can see that the bottom, we're going to start with the bottom and fill that out first. 2/3, and we're trying to figure out how much a full truck is. So if that is 2/3, a full truck will be 3/3, which is also equal to 1. So that's 3/3 and that's 2/3. Then the tick mark before that would be 1/3. So now let's go to the top and figure out the hours. So we see that we have 1/2 at the 2/3. And so now we're trying to figure out what's on either sides of the hours. So we can't figure out what's the full before we figure out what's before 1/2. So to figure out what's this tick mark, we will have to take half of 1/2. So half of 1/2 is 1/4. But then you notice 1/4 and 1/2 are two different denominators. So we can multiply 1/2 by 2/2 and get 2/4. So that's 1/4 and that's 2/4. Then the next tick mark has to be 3/4. So 3/4, it takes 3/4 of an hour to fill up 3/3 of a truck or one whole truck. And we can use the invert multiply to figure this out. So 1/2 times 3/2 equals 3/4. 1/2 times 3/2 equals 3/4. So it takes 3/4 of an hour to fill up one truck.